Hey guys, so today I'm going to switch out these rear turn signals. As you know, the front, they're all LED. These are LED brake lights. The reverse lights are LED. But for some reason, they're still using incandescent bulbs for the turn signals. So I definitely want to change those out. I picked up a nice set here from All Lighting. If you guys remember before, I've used them. Great quality stuff. Let me show you here. Okay, and these are a plug and play. If you can see, they have built-in resistors too. So you don't have to worry about hyper flashing. It's really nice. And this just plugs in where the bulb normally plugs in. And they're super bright. They're instant on, instant off. It'll be a huge difference. So you can see that how it fades in and out. It's not really that bright. Then you have the one in the mirror is LED. I just never liked that where it fades in and out. So I want to go ahead and swap these. So all you have to do here, take out these two screws. This one's really easy to do. Easier than the cord even. And this thing just slides back. So there's a little pop, like a pin in right there. Okay, so I went ahead and took those two screws out. You just pull straight back, and it's gonna slide out. Then you can just lean it real carefully on the little lip here, and I'll explain what we have going on here. So that's the one you want to take out right there. You just turn it counterclockwise, and it comes out, and you're gonna see the incandescent bulb in there. Just go ahead and remove that. Let me put the camera down. Okay, so I removed that, and then the new one just plugs right in. And then this bulb here, if you see it has like the rubber on it, glows in the dark too. It just pushes down in there. It's like compression fit, so it's nice and tight. So you just push down on there, and it will pop into place, which is really nice. Okay, so I pushed it down in there. Now all this stuff, the best thing to do, I would like double-sided tape it to the housing, one of the pockets, so it fits in there. You don't want to be on the flange there. So I went and put it all back together. I'll just show you what it looks like here real quick. I just want to show you the difference. Okay, so here's the incandescent. See, it fades in and out, not super bright. You can look directly at it. Now check these ones out. Super bright. I mean, look at that. Huge difference. I highly recommend these guys. Again, go to All Lighting website. There'll be a link in the description. Check out all they have. They have stuff for the Accord, the Pilot, Civic. I highly recommend these things because they're great quality, great customer service. I've never had an issue with them. And they stand behind their product. So definitely a big difference. And as you guys know, I have these tinted too. A light 50% smoke on these. Nice and bright. Okay, just want to share that with you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do both and wrap this thing up. But like I said, easy way to change the rear of your car, make it look a little more high end, instead of having that incandescent bulbs, which I still, like I said, I don't know why they just don't do the full LED, but I'm sure it's cost. So here's everything you get. Nice quality product. Highly recommended. So I appreciate all you guys supporting me on my channel. Really do. Stay tuned. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.